Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Ticking Together. As always, the goal of this channel is to provide education about and to raise awareness as to what it's like living with Tourette Syndrome. In today's video, I need your help. I want to know why the heck these are so popular. And I want to start an open discussion in the comment section down below because I'm going to talk about something that I feel like is weird and I don't know, but I just want to know your guys' thoughts because I am a 23-year-old adult with Tourette Syndrome and I love these. I think they're wonderful. Fidget toys are great. And not just the poppets, I'm talking about all sorts of fidget toys. But I'm curious as to why every single person under the age of 14 wants fidget toys. I can't wrap my head around it. And this video, it could potentially get me some hate, and that's okay. I just feel like the trend of fidget toys is so bizarre, and I wanted to talk about it because I don't know if, I don't see it being talked about very much, how literally every single person in the world now who's under the age of 14 needs these to focus. And this is probably just a petty rant, honestly. It comes from someone who works retail and sees all of these kids coming into my store being like, I want fidget toys, fidget toys, fidget toys, and we're always sold out. But the fact of the matter is, why are they always sold out? Why do people want these so bad? Why are they a trend? And I'm not saying that people don't need them, that they're invalid. That's not what I'm saying. But as someone with Tourette Syndrome who genuinely needs these to focus and to function, I'm kind of questioning the younger people who are like, I love fidgets, they help me so much. And I don't know, do you guys understand me at all? Does this make sense to you? Because, okay, some of them I feel like are a little bit much. This, I don't think it's cool, but it's not super necessary. But for example, something like this is something I would carry with me at all times and just use because it's super convenient and it helps me stay focused. And my thing is, nowadays you see kids collecting these and thinking it's a really cool thing. But my opinion, or my understanding was that these were meant for people who can't focus and who need help focusing. But then why is every single kid out there nowadays not able to focus? Does this make sense to you? I feel like it's a huge, weird mystery. I'm like, does every kid need fidgets because they can't focus? Or is our school system so bad that teachers aren't helping them maintain focus? I don't know. I think this is weird. I think it's the weirdest trend I've ever seen. Because, yeah, I think these are wonderful. I have them. I'm not saying, I wouldn't, I love them. I use them all the time. I love the poppets the most. But I'm just wondering, hi, I got rice. I'm just wondering why these are so sought after nowadays. Can someone enlighten me in the comments and let me know why people want all of these things nowadays? Why are they so popular? Because for me, I know why I want them, but I'm a 23-year-old neurodivergent adult who needs stuff to maintain my focus. And I just don't think every single person under the age of 14 needs something like this to stay focused. Unless our society is just going so downhill. Does this make any sense to you guys? I'm kind of a little bit peeved that they're always sold out because I need these things. And I genuinely don't believe that every single kid under the age of 14 that's buying them needs them. I think that's where it gets me a little bit heated because I think that it's kind of trending on something that is needed in the neurodivergent community, or people who perhaps are on the autism spectrum, or ADHD, or Tourette's, or OCD, or whatever like that, you know? And I'm not saying it's specifically for us only, but it just kind of feels weird that this is a trend. Does this make sense to you guys, or am I just completely losing my mind? I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments because I am confused. I think that maybe I'm just a crabby old 23-year-old, but I genuinely don't think that 10-year-old Sally, who's completely fine neurologically, needs this. But then again, I could be wrong. I just kind of wanted to start a conversation with you guys to see what your thoughts are, because I know my thoughts. I think that this trend is really ridiculous, and when kids come in my store being like, I want poppets, I want fidget toys, and they're just 10-year-old kids with their mom, I'm like, yeah, I'll show you, but I just don't understand why I guess it's why it's a fad, because fads are weird, but it just bugs me that these are always sold out because I want them. So the conversation I want to have in the comments is just to know what your guys' thoughts are on this fad, if it makes sense to you that all of these young people want to hop on this bandwagon and have these, because I feel like it doesn't make sense to me. And maybe that's just because I am neurodivergent and I don't understand a lot of things. But like, and I'm gonna post a video soon. I talked to my 10-year-old cousin Ariana about fidgets and her thoughts on them, and that was eye-opening to me, but I don't believe every 10-year-old needs these to focus. I think it's more of just a fad that people are like hopping on because it's cool to have them. But in what world is it cool to be like neurodivergent or need help to function in daily life? That's my thoughts. So let me know in the comments what your thoughts are on this fidget toy explosion scenario. Do you think that the fad is worth it? Or is it just a fad and people are just jumping on it because it makes them cool? Let me know, because I know what my thoughts are and I just kind of want some insight from you guys. So that is it. Leave a comment, let me know, because I want to make future videos about this, but this was just my like brief rant because this just bugs me. I don't know why, it bugs me. As always, we're learning together, we're laughing together, and we're ticking together. Have a wonderful day. Bye.